Hey everyone, this is Lance at MarineMax in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Today we're going to take a look at our Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. This boat, it is a brand new boat, and the brand new design came out mid-2019 for this styling of the 160 Sport. Has a 90 horsepower engine on the back, has the bimini top, comes with the galvanized trailer with the swing away tongue right up front. And in case you're wondering, that is its little brother, the 130 Super Sport, in the back for a little comparison. When making the 160 Super Sport, Boston Whaler really took in mind to what some of its customers were asking for. They obviously made the boat larger, longer, and wider for more stability, but retained that middle seat cooler right in the center, has the bucket seats on the bench in the back, and it has this time a little compartment that opens up right in front of the steering wheel. So a little dry storage for whatever you need. You'll also notice in the back they put the large swim steps on the back platforms so that it was easier to get on and off the boat, and also to give you a little bit more room. Taking a look from behind the helm seats, you can see up front there's that large bow cushion that I was actually sitting on for the first part of this video. And underneath the cushion there is a fish locker and also an anchor locker. At the helm you have the stainless steel steering wheel as usual with Boston Whaler. The binnacle and controls are right over to your right hand side. And you'll also notice that you do have a lot more room on the right hand side of the steering wheel than you had in the previous models. This allows you to put any kind of GPS, chart plotter, fish finder, or anything else that you may want there. 5-inch or a 7-inch fit quite perfectly. So again, this is the Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. Come on down to MarineMax in Gulf Shores, Alabama, and take a look.